Hello, let's see how long I can stay inside of my dog cage. Gonna gotta be quiet, but started already. Officially in. Officially. No food or anything, just with the dog staring at me. And of course my phone. So, it's gonna chill. Maybe really no challenges. Mom's working. Ooh. Guess I might as well just have some chilling. Yes, get it. You guys probably have I may have to stand up to do it. I'm doing a YouTube video and kind of talking lightly. I should be doing schoolwork right now. Should I don't want to tell my mom that? I don't really want to, but I have to. So I guess I'm really just gonna chill. Just gonna have a kissing dog. It's about time. I've only been here for 2 minutes. So how long more am I going to be able to stay in? You know, nobody knows. All I know is I think there's a light I can turn on. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yes. Okay, well I got that figured out. If anybody recognizes this thing, you probably know where I live. It's a pokey part of Florida. I turned on my light. Huh? I turned on my light. Okay, randomized. Chill for a little. Chill. Yeah, chill.
This is going to be presbyopia. It's literally referred to sometimes as short arm syndrome. And the vast majority of those older than 40 will end up needing reading glasses due to presbyopia.
Okay, it's been a little while now. Maybe about a half hour, somewhere around that.